Alejo together with Rene Barroso as her escort. Miss Alejo is a proud daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Larry and Evelyn Alejo, born on April 10, 2010, 14 years of age, a grade 8 of Horas National High School. Her ambition is to become a civil engineer. Her motto, sometimes we just need to change the way we see things in order to be better and not bitter. Again, let's give it up to Miss Abilin Alejo.